Okay, part 3. This is the last day you can put your music for me to listen to. I like it. 9/10. For milk carton is 6/10, and for execution clap it's 9/10. This song is great 8/10. For Marketland it's 8/10, and for 2012 it's 9/10. It's okay, Shifinjiti. Good for you, it's great. 8/10. I don't really like No Diggity, it's a 5/10, and for Sweet Boy it's a 9/10. I like it. 7/10. I don't like it. 3/10. I like it. 8/10. It's okay. 7/10. I don't really like it. 3/10. I like it. 7/10. Yes, I love it. 10/10. I kinda like it. 6/10. Yes, I love this song, SM. 11/10. I love this song too. 11/10. I like it. 8/10. I didn't really like it. 4/10. It's okay. 6/10. I like it. 8/10. Anyways, bye muffins.